Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're the hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every day, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can view all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues that affect you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
All right, noting that it is 7:04, I will call this meeting of the Public Safety and Human Services Committee to order for December 10th, 2024. First item is the call to order, which we just did. Next is public appearances on non-agenda items. It doesn't appear that we have any. So then we'll move on to the consent agenda, which consists of about 16 operators licenses, routine operators licenses, and the approval of minutes of the November 12th, 2024 meeting.
Chairman Allen, I'll move approval of the consent agenda.
Motion's been made to approve. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Next is the consideration of the following fermented malt beverage and intoxicating liquor licenses, contingent upon payment of all fees owed to the City of Fitchburg as a Class B fermented malt beverage retail license and reserve Class B intoxicating liquor license for Garden Hill Hotel LLC, 2969 Cahill, Maine, doing business as Wyndham Garden Hotel. Mahesh Sharma, agent. Can we get a motion?
I'll move approval.
Motion's been made. I presume you are Mahesh?
I'm Mahesh Sharma.
All right. So you have now acquired this hotel?
We did acquire it 3 weeks ago, this hotel. And before that, thank you. And before that, I'm in a convenience store business. I have a liquor license for the last 30 years for different liquor store in different, Rock County to Walworth County, all over. I have a 0 violation so far in 30 years of life. This is a new one. We got it, and we are planning to, run that banquet hall, and there's a bar also. We want to run it when there is an event also, and, sell all the product there.
Now, I understood that the Wyndham Garden Hotels, part of that brand is that they have a restaurant.
Yes.
And I know there's a restaurant, but it hasn't been open for many years.
Yes. So we are planning to lease that one,
Okay.
We're planning to run it right now. In the process of that, we just cleaned it. It's been closed for so long. So we're trying to do that one in future, maybe the next 2-3 months. We have a lot of inquiries. We published, ad and every single thing. Hopefully we'll get it within a week or 2 weeks, some response. And then we're planning to run that.
Okay, that will require a different alcohol.
Yes.
So where's the bar located in this?
It's in the banquet hall.
Oh, okay, so this is not
Yeah.
a bar that would be open all the time?
No.
Only when you're having events there?
Whenever there's an event, we want to open that one.
Yeah, there haven't been a lot of events there lately.
No, they've been not running it. Luckily, we have one event booked now on 12th, and second one is on 26th. So that is my, I want to run that banquet hall,
On the 12th of December? Like 2 days from now?
2 days from now.
Well, we're cutting it a little close, aren't we?
Yes, 2 days that we're getting ready, getting warm up and everything, so.
All right. Well.
And he's graciously allowed us to continue to use that facility as a polling location.
Yes, we talked about it. We are set for that stuff too. And I got all the dates from Vicky, and we agree.
I used to vote there. That was an interesting, it was an interesting setup.
It's a lovely polling location. Love it.
There's a shortage of banquet areas, so I don't think you'll have any problem getting this booked if you have it open and you're ready.
But, yeah, so
What's the capacity there?
it's 240, I think, 230, 240 people.
Actually, have you been before this board for other license
This
approvals?
hotel business?
You look familiar, like I've
He
So-
does the fireworks at the Hindu
Oh, that's why.
temple.
So
Yeah.
I'm a chairman of a Hindu
Yeah.
temple
Yeah,
also,
that's-
so I
that's why I-
presented myself to.
That's
Yes,
I'm sorry.
yeah, no.
All right. Well, any other questions, discussion?
I have none, Jane.
Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next is announcements. Our next meeting is on January 14th, and that brings us to
I'll move adjournment.
motions been made to adjourn. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries.